During the time when Indian Air Force is eagerly waiting to welcome the French Rafale fighter jets, looks like they are further increasing the power and capabilities of this particular combat aircraft by equipping it with all possible missiles package. We know that the first 5 Rafales, which would arrive India by July 29, would be equipped with advanced weaponry which includes the long-range Scalp and Meteor missiles. Now, as per the latest update from the defense sources, looks like there is a new addition to the missiles list for Rafale fighter jets, and the missile which I'm talking about is the Hammer missiles from France. The highly agile, modular munition extended range missile entered the service in 2007 with the French Air Force and Naval Aviation with Rafale and Mirage 2000 fighter jets. This medium range air to ground Hammer missile has an attack range of up to 60 kilometers, and this would give India the capability to take out any bunkers or hardened shelters in any type of terrain, including the mountainous locations such as eastern Ladakh. These missiles would be provided by the French defense sources in a fast-track mode for the Indian Air Force. Now that we saw the details of the new missile, which is the Hammer, would be equipping the Indian Air Force Rafales, let us take a quick recap on the Rafale deal and the earlier agreed missiles and enhancements. India would obviously get all new capabilities with the Rafale fighter aircraft, which the country never had before. The MBDA's Meteor Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air missile and the Scalp cruise missile will be the mainstay of the weapons package of the 36 Rafale fighter jets which India is procuring from France. The European missile maker MBDA has said the aircraft with the most advanced weapons package, comprising of the Meteor and Scalp missiles, will provide India an unrivaled deep strike capability and air dominance in this particular region. Both Scalp and Meteor missiles will be a game changer for the Indian Air Force. Just to see what a Meteor missile is actually, it's a next generation, beyond visual range air-to-air missile designed to revolutionize the air-to-air combat. Guided by an advanced active radar seeker, the Meteor missile provides all-weather capability to engage a wide variety of targets from fast jets to small unmanned aerial vehicles and cruise missiles. Now coming to the other missile, which is going to equip the Indian Air Force Rafale fighter jet, which is the Scalp. It's an air-launched long-range deep strike missile which is designed to deal with the pre-planned attacks against high-value fixed or stationary targets. The Scalp missile has been part of United Kingdom's Royal Air Force and French Air Force, and it was used even in the Gulf War. So with the Meteor missile, which is known to be the best beyond visual range missile in the world, and with the Scalp, which is a deep strike weapon, the Rafale with these two missiles will help India to achieve any unmatched air dominance in the region. Besides the missile systems, the Rafale fighter jets will come with various Indian-specific modifications, including the Israeli helmet-mounted displays, the radar warning receivers, the low-band jammers, 10-hour flight data recording, infrared search and tracking systems, among other features as well. So with all the above missile packages and enhancements, the air-to-air and the air-to-ground strike capabilities of the Rafale cannot be matched by both China and Pakistan. And this particular aircraft of Indian Air Force would give India an edge over both the rivals. So that was a quick update on the latest missile which is going to be added with the Indian Air Force Rafale fighter jets. And we also saw a recap of the earliest package of missiles, which is the Scalp and the Meteor. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.